Now, you're really not the majority. You're actually a very, very minority. And the stock market is really not created for you. It's created for the 95% of all the other people. Why 95% of the people don't do, what you guys are here try to do? Despite the spectacular success of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, why is that? Anybody have a reason? Why is that? Why there's only, yes?
Because emotionally it's very difficult.
Yeah, emotionally it's very difficult. But if you think that, it's very convincing that value investors over a long period of time really have much, much better kind of returns. You think that's where the money is, even if it's emotionally difficult, you think they wouldn't change it? Any other reason?
People are measured by short-term returns.
Right.
Actually, to that point.
Right. We actually are very close to the point. I think that the real answer is that's really where the money is. Why that's where the money is? Because the market is really created for those kind of people who are really thinking of trading in and out all the time, and therefore that they will pay attention to the short term. And therefore that if you put up with that requirement, that's really where the asset is going to find you. And so as a result, that statistic, despite the huge discrepancy of a performance, of that 5% have a spectacular return consistently over a long period of time, 95% of the money or something close to that probably would always reside to somewhere else. And if that's where the money is, most of the people naturally would end up there.